Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. So today we'll discuss important news, important update, and along with that we'll analyze the Nifty Bank chart as usual, and we'll find out important support and resistance for the next week. So to know the Nifty Bank levels and important updates, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update and indices levels update. So let's start video with important news, important update came in the last week. In number one, it was actually government has cut the base import tax on gold and silver. So the Indian government has revised the import price of gold and silver, reducing the rate by number one for the gold $42 पर 10 ग्राम. तो गोल्ड के लिए $42 पर 10 ग्राम रिड्यूस किया है एंड फॉर द सिल्वर 107 पर केजी फॉर द सिल्वर. गोल्ड के लिए $42 पर 10 ग्राम एंड सिल्वर के लिए $107 per kg reduced, the import price reduced by the government. And the move का aim क्या था, why the government has done this? They have done for the to support the domestic trade, जो इंडिया के अंदर में जो ट्रेड हो रहा है गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर का, एंड to moderate the price of the gold and silver which is actually fluctuating in these yellow and white metal, to support and even to encourage the gold and silver trade. So this was important news, and another thing is that today is the 1st of November, and the October auto sales number also released, and so many auto sectors stocks are in focus like M&M, TVS Motors, Tata Motor, Scott. So all they are giving their auto sales number, which is every month on first. These number is coming for every month, like this is for October. So this is very important, and even M&M has posted a very good SUV sale. Their sale has increased, I think, more than 20%. So this is also important update, you should look on this. And now let's go quickly to the chart and Nifty Bank chart, and you can see I've drawn these two three parallels, zone parallels line, you can see here, and I will show why I have drawn this. So this is Nifty Bank chart, and last week I have discussed that the Nifty Bank has given a break, rounding bottom breakout. I made this last week, this rounding bottom breakout. This was the neckline actually. यहाँ पे here the 57,600 around, it was a neckline for the rounding bottom, and from here it has given a good breakout. You can see ये यहाँ पे ये neckline था, and from here it has given a good closing above this neckline, and from here it went to 58,500, 50 के भी ऊपर. आई इफ एग्जैक्ट बोलूँ तो 58,577 के आसपास, 580 कह सकते हैं, तो 58,580 के आसपास जाकर again it started falling, reversed back here, and this was again, which is earlier it was resistance. Here you can see this line ये वाली यहाँ से, which was neckline, I can say neckline, or I can say breakout level, or I can say retest level, whatever you want to say you can call it. But here it retested also this level, you can see here ये वाला, this was the breakout level, retest level. Here it came and retested, from again here it reversed back to the level of 58,550 again. This time it has touched the 58,500 around, but it could not go above this high all-time high, and it took resistance here and again came back to the retest or breakout level. So I can't say this is again retesting. No, एक बार रिटेस्ट किया, अगेन इट वेंट टू दिस लेवल, टेकन रेजिस्टेंस एंड नाउ फॉलिंग बैक टू द neckline or breakout level or retest level. So abhi what is going to happen from here, we need to watch in next week. So what you can watch, is it breaking this neckline, a breakout level, and going to this line, this horizon, this parallel zone I have drawn, going to this this zone, which is this blue line, you can see, which is 20 EMA, also 20 exponential moving average. So is it again going and touching this 20 EMA, or this line which is 57,200? So need to remember, need to keep in your mind that 57,200 is a very important 20 EMA level also, which can be my good and crucial support. बट एक यहाँ से लेके एक 57,000 से लेके 57,200 का बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट जोन है, इसलिए मैंने ये जोन बनाया, जिस बिकॉज to know that it's not important that it is touching 57,200 and going back to this, it may come to 57,000, which is psychological support also. So it may touch 57,000 also, and then again go back to this resistance level of 58,577, which is all time high. So I guess I have elaborated everything that what all the support level can be. Resistance तो एक ही है अभी के लिए, but yes support level के लिए दो तीन level, 57,200 then 57,000 is very important. So you can call that 57,000 to 57,200 is a zone where Nifty, Bank Nifty may take support in next week short term. और अगर यहाँ नहीं भी आता है, इट मे पॉसिबल कि यहाँ से अगेन रीटेस्ट करके, या आई कैन से दिस लेवल को, दिस सपोर्ट को, जो कि ऑल्सो दिस इज ऑल्सो ए गुड सपोर्ट ऑफ 57,600, आई कैन से रफली 57,600 यहाँ पे दिस लेवल. This level 57,600 also a very good support, which already it has taken on Friday it has touched the low of 57,650, जो कि मैं देख रही हूँ कि दिस इज अ वेरी गुड सपोर्ट. सो ये तो ऑलरेडी 57,600 ऑलरेडी एक सपोर्ट है, विच ऑलरेडी निफ्टी बैंक हैज टच्ड ऑन फ्राइडे. Need to watch next week that is it going to break this 57,600 and going to touch this 57,200, और यहाँ से वापस रेजिस्टेंस पे आता है. तो दिस जो पैरेलल लाइन, ये जो मैंने जोन एक बॉक्स बनाया है, यू कैन सी दिस बॉक्स, पिंक बॉक्स. तो आई हैव मेड दिस बॉक्स बिकॉज टू शो यू ऑल दैट दिस इज अ रेंज द निफ्टी बैंक इज ट्रेडिंग. तो एक बार तो रिटेस्ट किया इज ओके, बट अगेन इट इज कमिंग हियर and taking and took support on Friday. So is it making, it is consolidating on this level, and this range, this is consolidating, Nifty Bank is consolidating in this range, और या फिर आगे ऊपर के लेवल पे या नीचे के लेवल पे ये सपोर्ट या रेजिस्टेंस को ब्रेक करेगा, दैट वी नीड टू चेक. तो ये बॉक्स इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट मे पॉसिबल कि अगले वीक में भी, नेक्स्ट वीक ऑल्सो इट इज गोइंग टू ट्रेड विद इन दिस रेंज ऑफ 58,700, 58,550 टू 57,600. तो ये एक रेंज बना रहा है निफ्टी बैंक. इसको कब तक ये ब्रेक करता है, दैट वी नीड टू वॉच. तो नेक्स्ट वीक भी हो सकता है या नेक्स्ट टू नेक्स्ट वीक होगा, दैट डेफिनेटली आई विल अपडेट इन नेक्स्ट वीक. टेक so I'll take the important level again, that Nifty Bank important support 57,200 to 57,000, and important resistance is 58,600 around for the next week. And I'm going to post the Nifty 50 analysis and levels also tomorrow on Sunday video. Please watch that video also for the global update also. And like and share the video and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update and indices sectors weekly levels update. Signing off.